My name's Jim Carriel. I'm the operations manager at the Grand Lodge, and this is my second season at Deer Valley. As far as skiing on our breaks and days off, we're slope side right on the mountain, so we can jump right over to a north side lift and ski our favorite trails over here, a Lost Boulder right behind me, and head over to Empire if we get a lot of snow. It's real convenient and everybody gets a chance to get out and go skiing. So my favorite ski run at Deer Valley would be off the north side chair, and it's the Lost Boulder run. Great bumps and excellent powder when we get a good powder day. I like the people, the staff, the camaraderie amongst the year-round employees and the great seasonal staff. Everybody has a great attitude and it makes a big difference for our guests and the experience that they have. I've skied everywhere, and this place has the terrain for every type of skier. The conditions are perfect and the snow is always excellent. My name's Jim Carriel, operations manager at the Grand Lodge. I'd like to invite you to come ski the difference at Deer Valley Resort this winter.